Hello, and welcome back to the Setting Up a Journal in OJS 3.5 series. In this video you will learn how to set up and use announcements. Announcements are one of the notification tools available on OJS that may also appear on your journal's homepage. They are great for displaying information such as opening and closing of submission requests for special issues, event announcements, and other exciting changes happening in your journal. Let's begin by enabling the announcement function in the journal by going to the journal website's main page and access the dashboard through the top right corner of the page. On the primary navigation menu, click Website. Click in the second menu tab, Setup, followed by Announcements. The first thing you need to do is to enable announcements. To do this, just click on the box. This will display a new form where you can set up your announcements preferences. Enabling announcements displays additional configurations. If you have any information about announcements that you would like to have displayed on your announcement page, such as a statement on who to contact with questions, you can enter it into the introduction text box. Then, you can choose how many announcements you want to display on the journal's homepage. If you don't want to display any announcements, you can leave this empty. For this example, we will set 1. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Save. Doing this has created a new option on the primary navigation menu, Announcements. Let's go to Announcements to create a new announcement and to see the list of all the announcements published in your journal. You can use the Announcements Types feature to create type classes. Creating announcement types are optional. Let's go to the Announcement Types tab. Click Add Announcement Type to create a new announcement type. Enter a name for your type and click Save. After you've saved, you can use the drop-down arrow beside the type name to show more options. To create a new announcement, click in the Announcements tab. Then, click on the Add Announcement. Let's create an announcement in the side panel. First, add a title to the announcement. After the title, you can add a short description. The short description will appear under the title on your journal's homepage and on your announcements page. Then, add the full text of the announcement in the announcement box. The full text will only be visible when the reader clicks in the announcement. The short description will not appear in the full text after a reader clicks through. The idea is that the short description is a summary of the full text. New in OJS 3.5, you now have the option to upload an image to go along with your announcement. You can add an expiry date to your announcement if you would like it to be displayed temporarily. The announcement will be displayed to readers until the typed date. You can leave it blank if the announcement should be displayed indefinitely. If you have set up announcement types, you can also select what kind of announcement type this is. Otherwise, you won't see this option here. You have an option to send an email notification about this announcement to all registered users of your journal. Once you're finished, click on Save to post your announcement. As you add announcements, the announcement box populates in reverse chronological order and indicates the announcement title, type, and date posted. After posting an announcement, you can view, edit, or delete it. You can use the search bar to look for a specific announcement. Now, let's take a look at how the announcement displays on your website. First, notice that announcements have been added to the top navigation bar of your journal website. You can also see that the announcement displays on the homepage. How the announcements display on the homepage will depend on which theme you're using. The parts of the announcement that you will see in the homepage are the title, the short description, date, and image if it has been uploaded. Click through the announcement to read the full text. Now, let's take a look at the announcements page. The active announcements are displayed from most recent to least recent and are listed with their titles, brief descriptions along with any uploaded image. If you click through to the full description, you can see that the brief description is not included on the page you redirected to. which is why it's important to make sure that all vital information is repeated in both the descriptions. This concludes our announcements unit. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next unit.